is Gautam Adarsh. Today we will see some of the questions of NTSC previous paper 2020. Today onwards, let's see all these previous papers. Okay. First, from the math, that is mental ability test, let's see some questions. First question: what is the sum of all positive factors of 256? First, let's find the factors of 256. Factors of 256 will be equals to 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128 and 256. First, then add all of this. Add all of this. Now sum will be 1 plus 2, that is 3, plus 4 is 7, plus 8 is 8, 7 plus 8 is 13, 7 plus 8 is 15, plus 16, 15 plus 16 is 31, plus 32, 31 plus 32 is 63, 63 plus 64 will be equals to 127 plus 128 will be equals to 255, 255 plus 256. Okay, 255 plus 256. Okay, 11, 10, 11, 4, 5. Okay, it will be equals to 511. 511 will be the sum of all the positive factors of 256. Next, second question: which of the following number will completely divide 3 power 25, 3 power 26, 3 power 27, 3 power 28? Which number will divide this number? See, no need to find the 3 power 25. We will be finding this very easily. Solution: given number is 3 power 25 plus 3 power 26 plus 3 power 27 plus 3 power 28. For taking 3 power 25 common, I am first 3 power 25 plus 0 plus 3 power 25 plus 1 plus 3 power 25 plus 2 plus 3 power 25 plus 3. Okay, now apply. Now let's write everything in brackets. Okay, now apply the a power m plus n will be equals to a power m plus a power n. Okay, apply this a power m into a power n. Apply this theorem. See, a power m into a power n will be equals to a power m plus n. Now apply this one for all of this. Now this will become as 3 power 25 into 3 power 0 plus 3 power 25 into 3 power 1 plus 3 power 25 into 3 power 2 plus 3 power 25 into 3 power 3. Okay, apply this theorem. Now let's take 3 power 25 is as common. 3 power 25 taking common, we will get 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1 plus 3 power 2 plus 3 power 3. 3 power 25 of 3 power 0 is 1. See, anything to the power of 0 will be equals to 1. A power 0 is 1. N power 0 is 1. Any number to the power of 0 will be 1. 1 plus 3 power 1 is 3 plus 3 square is 9 plus 3 power 3 is 27. 3 power 25 of 1 plus 3, 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 27 is 40. So the 40 will divide completely this number. Okay, let's take third number. Okay, third number, value of x by x plus 1 plus x plus 1 by x minus 1 by x of x plus 1 will be how much? Okay, options are x square, 1, x, 2. Let's solve it. X by x plus 1 plus x plus 1 by x minus 1 by x of x plus 1. Okay, 1 by x of x plus 1. Now let's see this question. X by x plus 1. Now take LCM of x plus 1 and x. It will be x of x plus 1. Okay, x into x plus 1 will be equals to x plus 1. Okay, plus x into sorry for a mistake. these two. Okay, LCM of these two will be x of x plus 1. Now x plus 1 into x will be equals to x of x plus 1. So here you should add x into x. Okay, x square. Okay, x plus 1 into x will be is equals to this one. So you see, I will be telling this in detail. X by x plus 1 into how much will be equals to x of x plus 1. Okay, see, for x plus 1 you should multiply x to get this. So by x, what you are multiplying to denominator, you should multiply to numerator also. So multiplying here, x plus 1 into x will become x of x plus 1. X into x will become x square. So in this way we can solve it. So now in the same way, x square, I got x square here. Now x square I got. Here I will get x into x plus 1. X plus 1 into x plus 1 is x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by x of x plus 1. See here, the denominators are same. So add directly x of x plus 1. See here there is minus symbol, x square plus x plus 1 whole square. Apply a plus b whole square formula. A square, that is x square, plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1, that is 2x, plus 1 square, 1 minus 1. Okay, plus 1 minus 1 cancels. X square plus x square, 2x square, 2x square plus 2 by x of x plus 1. Okay, taking 2 common, you get 2 of x, 2 of, see here 2x common, taking 2x as common, you get x plus 1. X plus 1. 2x into x will become 2x square. 2x into 1 will become 2x. 2x of x plus 1 by x of x plus 1. Okay, x of x plus 1, x of x plus 1 cancels and you will be getting only 2 into 1, that is 2. So option is D. Okay. See, sorry for the mistake here. Here 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12. Okay, so here the answer will be 512. Okay, these are the 3 problems. Now we are going to see another 2 problems. Okay, another 2 problems. Now let's see 4th and 5th questions. Sum of sequence 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus so on to plus 19 will be how much? See, let's find the solution for this. Given sequence or series is 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus so on to plus 19. See, the difference between each number is 1 only. So this will be a AB. AB is nothing but arithmetic progression. We know in the arithmetic progression A is equals to 5 here. See here in this sequence A is equals to 5 and D is equals to 6 minus 5, 7 minus 6, 8 minus 7, that is common difference. A is first term, D is common difference. Common difference is 1 and L is 19. Okay, we have a formula in AP that is sum of n. Okay, so you call this as sum of n. N is n by 2 of A plus L. Okay, so n by 2 of A plus L. Now here what is n? What is n? Is 19 minus 5 plus 1. 19 minus 5 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15 here. So n will be 15. There are 15 numbers in this sequence. When you count, you can understand n is 15. N is number of terms, or the term here 5, 6 are, these are 15. Okay. Now sum of n, that is sum of this sequence. Sum will be n by 2, 15 by 2 of A is 5 plus L is 19. Okay, 15 by 2 into 5 plus 9 is 24. 2 1s are 2 12s are 12, 15s are how much? 15 into 12. Okay, 150 plus 30, that is 180. 180. Option A is the right answer. Okay, next let's see fifth question. If three numbers are in the ratio half is to 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4, difference between largest and smallest numbers is 27. Find the three numbers. Okay, solution. First, given ratio is half is to 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4. First, find the LCM of denominators. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2 1 the 3, 2 2 the 3 to the 6, 6 1 the 6, 6 to the 12. Ratio is 12. Okay, ratio is 12. Now 12. Now 2 into 6, 6 into 1, 6 is to, let's not write in this way, okay. Common factor, see here, LCM, least common multiple for this three number is 12, okay. We can write this as half into 2 into 6, 6 into, half into 6 is to 6 by 6 by 2 by 3 into 4 by 4 is to 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 3. Okay. Now this will become as 2 1 2 3 is 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is nothing but 3 by 6 is nothing but half. But no, don't write in this way. 6 into 1, 6 by 6 to the 12. What is 6 into 1? 6 by 12 is half. Okay. 6 by 12. Now see here, take the numerators. Now because all the denominator is same. All the denominators are 6 into 2, 12, 12, 12. Okay. So take the numerator. 6 is to 2 into 4 is 8 is to 9. Okay. Now let's consider this as 6x, 8x, 9x. Given difference between largest and smallest. Largest number is 9x, smallest number is 6x is 27. So 9x minus 6x is 27. 9x minus 6x is 3x is equals to 27. X is 27 by 3, that is 9. Now find the numbers. First number is 6x. 6x will be 6 into x is 9. 9 6 are 54. And then 8x. 8x is nothing but 8 into 9. 9 8 are 72. Now 9x is nothing but 9 into 9, that is 9 9 are 81. So these are the three numbers given. The ratio is half is to 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4, and the largest and smallest number is 27. When we find them, we will get these three numbers. Okay, these are the some of the problems. In coming videos we are going to discuss some more problems. Thank you and thank you.